So let's just take a look at the Arduino Uno and what's on board. I'll start over here with I guess the main processor here. This is the Atmega 328P. So this contains the RAM, the EEPROM and the CPU, along with the pins that can be controlled. Over here, labelled A0 to A5, we have the analog input pins. So these are places we can plug in an analog input with the Arduino Uno having a analog digital converter built in. These can be used to create or link to variables in our programming. From here we have from 0 to 13 we have a array of pins. These are our digital output pins, and these pins can be used to connect external devices to be controlled. And you know, with our LEDs that we're going to be doing in the beginning, we'll be connecting LED outputs to some or all of these digital pins. Over here in the corner is a reset switch. So this enables us to restart the Arduino board at any time. This shiny thing here is the crystal oscillator. So this is what sets the clock speed for the processor to run. The clock speed on the Arduino Uno, I believe, is running at 16 megahertz. Over here we have the USB converter chip. So this basically changes any of the signals coming in from the USB to something that can be understood by the processor. These two little surface mount LEDs here are the transmit and receive LEDs. So those two light LEDs will flash when data is being communicated through the serial port. This works, of course, this shows, of course, when you are uploading your sketch to the Arduino, but also is shown when you are using the serial monitor to talk between or communicate between the Arduino and the PC or computer you're using to control it. And that's really probably the main points of the Arduino board. There's probably much more that we could go into, but I'm not going to get too deeply into those. One good thing to know though is there is a voltage regulator over here, which means you can connect external voltage into that plug there to control your Arduino. And I believe that it is happy taking from 12 to 5 volts. But for most of what we're going to be doing, you'll see me running directly off the USB port of my computer.